Hi everyone, it's Sintang Mayumi. I'm back with another card using my monthly Hero Arts Make card kit. This card looks busy but I had fun making it. I have my A2 size top folding card base and that is where we are going to do our ink blending. I'm using this die from Little Inkers design called Perfect Palette Die. I die cut it with cardstock and I'm using it as a stencil on my card base. I use washi tape to tape down both my stencil and card base on my surface so it doesn't move when I do my ink blending. I will do ink blending on the circles and I did color two of the circles with the same colors. And using my small brush helped me work easier and faster. I use Distress Oxide inks and the colors are Pink Raspberry, Carved Pumpkin, Mustard Seed, Mowed Lawn, Broken China, and Seedless Preserve. I went ahead and stamped this background from Hero Arts called Crafting Tools Bold Prints on a white cardstock and then I will die cut it with the same die that we used to cut our stencil. Tape the die on the background and cut the excess paper so it will fit in my die cutting machine and doesn't move when I run it through. And adhere this die cut piece on the ink blended card base with liquid glue. I picked some of the images that we didn't use from our 3 cards 1 card kit collaboration last time and placing them on the circles. Before we adhere all our images on the card, we need a sentiment. I use a sentiment from the card kit that says do what you love. I still have scraps of this blue shimmery cardstock left, so I'm using it again today. I prepped the cardstock first with anti-static powder and ink up the sentiment with Hero Arts embossing ink and emboss it with Wow Opaque Bright White embossing powder. And then cut each end with an angle using my scissor. I use foam tape on all of the images and even on the sentiment so all of them will pop up on the card. I needed more of the hearts to put it beside the sentiment, so I'm inking the stamp with VersaFine Onyx Black ink and stamp it on a scrap of watercolor paper and I will color it with my red zig marker and blended the color with the blender pen. And then I will die cut the hearts and this stamp came with the coordinating die. And I just need 2 of the big hearts. That's why I didn't color the small ones. And I will also add the hearts beside the sentiment with foam tape. For the inside of the card, I adhere the paint palette and paint tube on the lower part and I'm just using liquid glue to adhere them. And lastly, I added some diamond stickles on the hearts and my card is finished. I had so much fun with my monthly Hero Arts Make card kit. As always, thank you so much for watching and I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye.